guys, this is Erin and I'm here today with Quinn and my hair cart, and today we're going to be doing a really cute bun style with a fun accent braid using something a little bit different. Quinn, do you want to show them what we're going to use?
Okay.
So we're using these metal rings. It'll make more sense when we do it. We hope that you like it. Should we get started?
Okay.
Alright, let's do it.
To begin this style, gather the hair into a smooth, high ponytail. Apply mousse or hairspray to the sides of the ponytail to help it hold and to prevent flyaways. Next, separate off a small section of hair to thread through the rings. Don't make this too thick. Then place the rest of the hair through a large bun maker and create a bun. As you make the bun, make sure to leave the small section of hair out. Using a Topsy Tail tool, pull the hair through the first ring. Overlap the second ring on top of the first. Insert the Topsy Tail down through the gap created by the overlapping rings. Insert hair through the loop of the Topsy Tail and pull it through. Slide up the rings as needed. Insert the Topsy Tail back up through the second ring and pull the hair through. Now take a third ring and overlap it on top of the second ring. Insert the Topsy Tail down through the gap created by the overlapping rings, insert the hair through the loop of the Topsy Tail and pull it through. Then insert the Topsy Tail back up through the third ring and pull it through. Continue repeating this pattern until you're almost at the end of this section of hair. The number of rings you're going to need will vary. For my daughter's hair and the size of this bun and how thick it is, I used 21 rings. Once you are done adding the rings, wrap the chain of hair snugly around the bun. Use the Topsy Tail to pull the tail of the hair chain back through the first ring, and then bobby pin everything securely in place. And that's it, you're done.